How to use the Facebook group script to automate sending invite reminders to group visitors. Who wants to waste their time clicking buttons over and over and over? Once you download the Facebook automation script, you can have it perform mundane tasks for you automatically. I recommend that you set the random pauses to 3 seconds and 55 seconds. This is so Facebook doesn't think you're a robot. I set the random pauses shorter for demonstration purposes. You can set the maximum number of invites to send in one session. I recommend you set it for 10 to 20 if you're just starting out. Gradually increase this number each time you use it. Go to your member list and click the Invited to Join tab. Click Send Reminders and watch the magic happen. Remember that you must keep the browser window open for the script to run properly. You can download the Facebook Automation Group browser extension at the link in the description of this video.